Hi, my name is Ismail Al-Qadiri from IBM Analytics, and I'm here to show you how quick and easy it is to build a dashboard in the new IBM Planning Analytics solution. So what we have here on the screen are a selection of books. Now these books are basically repositories for reports and dashboards, and they can represent a variety of things, in this case mainly business units. So we're going to go ahead and create our own book, and we're going to call it Margin Analysis. There are various templates, as you can see, that we can choose from, but we're just going to go for freeform to kick off. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the most of the natural language capabilities. So I'm actually going to ask the system for the actual gross margin by product, by organization, by month, by year. Okay, so you don't even need to know your data set that well. It will actually go off and find that combination of data for you. And what it will do is it will also give you the different options you can actually get that data from. So here you can see there are a variety of cubes. I want some revenue data, so I'm going to pull that data from the revenue cube. You can basically just select that and then move any of the data around so you can display it in the most appropriate manner. So you can just expand on years, use subsets that already exist if you want to. You can change the visualization. Go for a stat column here. You can hide the dimensions and just give it a name. Let's just call it actual gross margin by product type. Okay, so that's our first visualization already done. Now there's a similar one that I've used before, which we've collected and we can reuse in our collections, and that basically just represents the revenue. And all I have to do is just drag that onto my dashboard, snap it into place, and that's the second element done. We can also name the sheets and add a variety of sheets, so which can call this one margin. And we're going to add in our last visualization, which is an Excel spreadsheet. Now the great thing with Planning Analytics and IBM Analytics in general is Excel isn't a separate item, it's part of the system. So it actually ties in with the dimensionality of all the other cubes and data that you have within there, but it keeps all of the formatting that's been created in Excel, so you can leverage all of that Excel expertise that you have within your business. So here we have the Excel spreadsheet that we've brought in as another item on our dashboard. Finally, what I want is a selector widget. So I'm actually going to look at this data by region. I'm going to add it in as a selector widget, and I'm actually just going to change the visualization of this widget so that it turns into a data player. And the final step to get this all completed is very simply to synchronize them all so that they know which elements actually want to synchronize. So we are going to remove these synchronizations. We'll synchronize the margin that we've done, and we'll also synchronize the spreadsheet. And you can see now that if we play through the various regions, the data on all three of the visualizations will change automatically as the data player goes through. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to add any comments onto this. And until next time, take care.